Samsung is the top dog for foldable phones in 2023. All eyes are on what the company will do with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This will be Samsung's fifth attempt at a flagship folding smartphone, and this year it'll be entering an unusually competitive market. Over time, Samsung has continuously refined its foldable phone formula. While the devices have more or less looked the same through the years, we've seen improvements in display tech, durability, new software tricks, and more. Of course, the internal hardware keeps getting obvious upgrades, such as more powerful SoC and better cameras. This year, too, rumors are already painting the Galaxy Z Fold 5 as Samsung's most revered foldable ever. Here's what we know so far. Starting with the design in collaboration with Leaks, SmartPrix published a handful of leaked renders, giving us our first look at the Fold 5. The leakers suggest Samsung has reduced the thickness to 13.4mm when folded. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is tipped to play upon the same tried and tested formula of offering a 6.2-inch cover display and a 7.6-inch inner screen. Both of these are likely to be AMOLED panels with support for a 120Hz refresh rate. It's also supported by IPX8 rating, which means it will only support water resistance, and no dust resistance is coming this year as well. Samsung's booklet-style phones have always had a gap between the two halves when folded. A recent report claimed that won't be the case with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The company is said to be using a teardrop-style hinge, similar to what we've seen on the Oppo Find N2 and the Motorola Razr 2022. This will ensure the two sides of the display close flat on top of each other when the device is folded. The design change is also expected to reduce the appearance of the display crease. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 and its predecessors have a prominent wrinkle in the middle. In fact, Korean publication Naver also claims the newer hinge makes the device a lot more compact. The smartphone could be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. We expect it to be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy version, similar to what's found on the Galaxy S23 series. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is set to support 25-watt fast charging on the 4,400 mAh battery. While that's the same battery size found in the Z Fold 4, you're likely to get better battery life out of it because of the more efficient processor. It might run Android 13 based on a newer version of One UI out of the box. The Z Fold 5 is rumored to sell in three major color options: beige, black, and light blue, and also special colors blue and platinum. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is said to retain the same triple rear camera setup found on the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which include 50-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide and 10-megapixel telephoto lens, 12-megapixel selfie shooter on the cover display, and 4-megapixel under-display camera. The camera setup on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 wasn't flagship grade. While it's still better than almost all other foldables on the market, it is far behind Samsung's slab flagship, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Korean outlet ET News confirms that this year also no S Pen slot is coming for Fold 5 device because of internal space constraint. As far as launch date is concerned, leaks suggest it will 2 weeks earlier than expected, which is a surprise. Anyhow, guys, let me know your thought in the comment section below. What are your thoughts on this? Thanks for watching. Peace out.